The Montgomery-Åsberg Depression Rating Scale, also known as MADRS, is a widely used clinical tool used to assess the severity of depression in adults. The MADRS consists of a 10-item questionnaire that rates various symptoms of depression, including mood, guilt, suicidal ideation, sleep, appetite, concentration, and energy levels. Each item is rated on a scale of 0 to 6, with higher scores indicating more severe symptoms. The 10 items on the MADRS are finished through a clinical interview. The MADRS contains the following items: seeming melancholy, expressed sadness, internal angst, decreased sleep, diminished appetite, having trouble focusing, lassitude, incapable of feeling, negative attitudes, and suicide ideation. The MADRS was initially released without examples of questions that physicians may use to get the data they need to rate the components. The structured interview guide for the MADRS was created by Williams and Kobach in 2008. The guide offers structured questions that must be asked exactly as they are written to ensure administration standardization. If necessary, follow-up questions are also offered to further define symptoms. Here are some instances when the MADR test may be used: for diagnosis, treatment planning, clinical trials, research, and assessment of suicide risk. The MADRS can be used by healthcare professionals including psychologists, psychiatrists, and primary care physicians. To use our MADRS, follow these steps. Download our MADRS from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Explain the assessment. Ensure the patient comprehends both the requirements and the evaluation tools. The attending physician should make sure the patient will answer all questions honestly with comfort. Note your observations. The assessment should be based on a clinical interview that progresses from broadly worded symptoms to more specific ones. While responding to the evaluation tools, keep an eye out for the patient's pattern of behavior. Our doctor will be able to identify non-verbal and non-physical signs that contribute to anxiety and depression through observation. Lastly, compile. Get all relevant information and carefully review it. Analyze the test results to determine whether the patient needs extra attention for their physical and mental health requirements. Here is a sample of our MADRS, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our MADRS, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.